Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can make a factory data reset with the Google Pixel 7 and Google Pixel 7 Pro. First of all, let me tell you, if you want to resell the phone, you should remove the Google account first. If you have no idea about, I have done already a video and I will link it in the description. Okay, now let's reset the phone, and for that you have to turn it off. And if it's completely turned off, you will need the buttons for the power button and the volume down button. So long press these both buttons and you will see that screen here. The touch screen is disabled right now. You can only navigate right now with the volume buttons. So use the volume buttons now to go here on the position recovery mode. If you see the recovery mode, we will need now the power button. Just press the power button to enter the recovery mode. And then we will see a dead Android guy. Okay, don't worry about that. Now we will need again the buttons. So the power button and the volume up button. Now press them both together and hold them and leave them. And then you will see this recovery operation center. And now the same thing. Now the touchscreen doesn't work again. We will need again the volume keys to navigate. So go down now to the point with the volume keys. Go down with the volume keys to the point. Wipe data factories reset. And if you're having now the wipe data factory reset, we have to tap now the power button to confirm. Okay, now he's asking us, or he's telling us, are you very sure what you're doing, because you will delete everything. And now we have to go down again 1 point to confirm the factory data reset. So go with the volume down key, 1 point down, and confirm now with the power button. Okay, now the phone is making a factory data reset. This goes pretty fast, don't wonder. The next point will go a bit longer. So now we need to reboot the system. So it's already marked here. So just press now the power button to confirm to reboot the system right now. And this part will take a couple of minutes often. So don't worry about it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And if you want to resell the phone, I wish you a very good price. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos with some tips and tricks and so on. If you're still interested in the phone, you can also subscribe to don't miss a new video, maybe for your new phone, who knows. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this one. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.